What's up, guys? My name is Stepan, and today I'll introduce you to our channel and I'll talk about three different altcoins that could do really well in next few months, maybe weeks. And yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all on our new channel called Down Bad. We're not down bad, but I think it is a good name to name your trading channel. We will film 3 videos a week. This week will be little bit more, maybe like 6 weeks, and we'll talk different tactics and different setups that you can open and that could help your trading. We'll talk long term, which is my part, and we'll also talk short term, which we have other people to do so. So let's start with Litecoin halving countdown. In 166 days, we'll have a Litecoin halving. I think it is not so important event for crypto overall, but for Litecoin, it could do some damage to the chart, and we could see some green candles in next few weeks, months. I believe in last halving, in last Litecoin halving, we outperformed Bitcoin for a few months. So I think similar thing could happen right now. And yeah, let's see what we can do with the chart, what I would open or I will open, and you can get some idea what I believe could happen right now. We've got some important levels on weekly. I think important level is $77. Important level is also $83 to $84. And then we've got some important levels between, or I would call it a wedge between $100 and $130. It's also because other cryptocurrencies fell down, but yeah, we just got rejected at the right place, I guess. What can happen now? So on the weekly, we could go retest 83 to 84, but it's kind of a big dump for us, and Litecoin looks really strong in past few weeks, like 7 or something like that, green candles in a row, which is pretty cool, I guess. And yeah, it's 10% to our first weekly support, I guess. And like, yeah, I think this level, if we retest this, I think it's a great level to buy. You can see that we had some weeks into it and we got rejected here before, then we broke it and went higher. Also, we had a retest, so I think this is really strong level. Then we've got this 77 US dollar level, which is probably the strongest here. I believe that this level won't be retested, but if it is, I think we can call it the strongest support. And if we close below on weekly, I think it's a strong invalidation for any trades on longer time frames, and I think this is the invalidation where we should close the trade. Like, let's go to daily, because I think we will have more clear picture where we can enter this trade. And yeah, I'll probably say that we could hold this level. As you can see, we had bounce from this level. If there's no bad news in crypto, I think that we could just keep going higher. Yeah, and also there is a pretty strong box right here at this level, so I think that yeah, we had a touch, and I think that we could hold this box pretty easily. So I think this is not too bad buy if you want to enter long term for Litecoin, that you want to bet for halving, which is probably going to increase the chance of going higher. If you want to play it safe, I think that you could easily wait for weekly close in this range, and by then you will have easy invalidation under, because if we close above and then close under, it's a fake out. Fake outs are pretty strong trades, and I think that then we could actually go to $83 to $84. If we enter the wedge we close above, and I think there is a huge chance that we would retest the midpoint and probably and most likely the top of the range at $130. At that point, I think there is a good idea to take some profits, but yeah, I think that we could keep rising to new all-time high, but that's just what I think for now. If we close above this level, I think there is something to hold us maybe here at 170, but we could rise and rise and rise. If we check out Litecoin, Bitcoin, I think it doesn't look bad at all. We had a big downtrend from 2018. We were just making lower highs and lower lows, and I think it changed right here. We probably made the new low, and we can call this the previous high. It wasn't this big, but I think this could be a previous high which we beat, and I think that that's a great news for Litecoin, and it could mean that we would outperform Bitcoin in next few weeks/months. Also, I feel like we're making a little bit of consolidation here, which is always a good sign if you're in uptrends, and there is a huge chance that we would break it out and keep rising. And also, this is a pretty good open on Litecoin, Bitcoin. If we close above, we've made one fake out before, which usually means that there won't be a second one. So if we close above, there is a huge chance that we would go higher. So this is for Litecoin today, and now we've got two more coins. I went for ENJ. I think there is a good setup to trade right now. We've got here, this is a wedge for sure. We can be pretty sure about it. There is much more we can trade here, and I think that this looks really well because we closed below, we fell a little bit, and then we re-entered the wedge, which usually means a fake out, which we can call this fake out for sure. And now we're at the bottom of the range, and we're fighting to hold the level. I think there is a huge chance that we would actually beat the level, we would hold the level, and we could rise to the top of the wedge, which is 57% from here, which I would call a good trade. So yeah, for me, I've personally opened this trade around this right here. I think I opened this trade. I think this is a good setup to trade. You can still open this, and we've got really close invalidation if we close below this bottom of the wedge. So like if we close below, it's easy invalidation, and yeah, but I think we could hold this level and we could go to the midpoint and yeah, to the top. Last coin for today, I've got Sol USD. Sol USD on daily is more clear than on weekly because we've got literally nothing here. We can look at maybe like this level right here was a strong resistance, touched it, and then we started to fall. But on daily we can see much more, and I think Solana is still not dead. I'm not saying that we could see new all-time highs in next bull market, but I think $20 for Solana is not too bad. And yeah, had a pretty good move to the upwards, and now I think we could consolidate and maybe retest this level at $17.7, and from here we could start rising. But here it is really hard to say what levels you want to buy. I think all this range is a great buy for long-term Solana. I think you can buy anywhere from here to here. You can average your price at around $14, and if we close below this level, I think that we could go to $4, which is unfortunate. But yeah, like at this point, I think like it's not too bad idea to buy this this range and see what happens. You can close first daily below, but I don't think there is a more space to go even lower. I think Solana right now is it doesn't have a lot of space to go lower. So like any buy between here could lead to some great profits in next move to the upwards. Also Solana versus Bitcoin, I think a good buy would be here at this level. I think that we could hold this level, and you've got easy invalidation on Solana because Solana Bitcoin, because you can easily sell the close below and just buy Bitcoin, because it would most likely outperform Solana. Okay guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope it wasn't too bad. This was my first attempt to try trading video like this, so I hope it was good. I tried to take it fast. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. We would really appreciate your subscription, because we'll be really active in next few years, I guess. We don't know so far. But yeah, we'll post 3 times a week, and yeah, we'll give you some good, hopefully good trading setups to trade. So this is everything for today's video. Bye.